Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Mind. Today, I'm excited to share with you 10 things I refuse to spend money on. We all have those little things we spend money on without even thinking, those impulse buys that add up over time. So if you're ready to break free from the cycle of consumerism and find more joy and simplicity, stick around. Let's get started. First on my list is trendy fashion. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of the latest trends, with new collections hitting the stores every few weeks. I used to be caught in the cycle of buying the latest styles, only to have them end up unworn in the back of my closet a few months later. My closet was overflowing, yet I felt like I had nothing to wear. It was wasteful, both for my wallet and the environment. The constant need to buy new clothes drained my finances and contributed to a growing pile of textile waste. Now, I prefer investing in timeless, high-quality pieces that never go out of style. These pieces are not only more durable, but also more versatile. Think well-made basics like a classic white t-shirt, which can be paired with almost anything in your wardrobe, a perfectly fitting pair of jeans that can be dressed up or down, a versatile blazer that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit, or a little black dress that is perfect for any occasion, from casual outings to formal events. These pieces are the foundation of my wardrobe, and I can easily dress them up or down with accessories. A few well-chosen accessories can completely transform an outfit. By focusing on quality over quantity, I've actually been able to curate a more stylish and functional wardrobe. It's about having fewer, but better, items. Plus, investing in durable pieces means they'll last longer, saving me money in the long run. High-quality materials feel better and look better over time. Fast fashion relies on cheap labor and unsustainable practices that harm both people and the planet. The environmental impact is staggering, with tons of clothing ending up in landfills. By choosing to invest in timeless pieces, I'm taking a stand against overconsumption and supporting more ethical and sustainable brands. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the long run. Now, let's talk about designer brands. These high-end labels often catch our eye with their sleek designs and prestigious reputations. We've all been there, tempted by that luxury item with the hefty price tag. The allure of owning something exclusive can be hard to resist. But I've learned that the logo doesn't always equal quality, and it certainly doesn't define my worth. It's important to remember that a brand name is just that, a name. I've found that many affordable options offer similar quality and style without the inflated price tag. Often these items are made with the same materials and craftsmanship. Take, for example, a simple leather tote bag. It can be just as stylish and functional as its designer counterpart. You can find a beautifully crafted, durable tote from a lesser-known brand for a fraction of the price of a designer version. Supporting smaller brands can also mean supporting ethical practices and local artisans. This applies to everything from clothing and shoes to accessories and home goods. Affordable doesn't have to mean low quality. By looking beyond the brand name, you can find hidden gems that fit your style and budget without compromising on quality. Thrift stores and local boutiques often have unique, high-quality items. True luxury is about investing in things that bring you joy and value, not about impressing others with flashy labels. It's about finding pieces that resonate with you personally and stand the test of time. Next up, let's talk about beauty. I used to be a regular at the salon, shelling out big bucks for haircuts, manicures, and other treatments. But over time, I realized that I could achieve similar results at home with a little effort and a lot less money. I started by learning some basic beauty skills online. There are countless tutorials and resources available that teach you everything from cutting your own hair to giving yourself a professional-looking manicure. Not only has this saved me a ton of money, but it's also been incredibly empowering. Plus, DIY beauty is a great way to practice self-care and indulge in some pampering without breaking the bank. You can choose natural, organic ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your skin and hair. Speaking of skincare, let's debunk the myth that you need expensive, high-end products to achieve healthy, glowing skin. The truth is, there are so many affordable skincare products that work just as well as their pricey counterparts. The key is to focus on a simple, consistent routine that addresses your specific skin concerns. Start by identifying your skin type, oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. and then look for products that cater to your needs. Some of my favorite affordable skincare brands include The Ordinary, CeraVe, and Cetaphil. Remember, skincare is not about having a million different products. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. And don't underestimate the power of a healthy lifestyle. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and managing stress can do wonders for your skin. Let's be honest, that daily coffee run can really add up. Those $5 lattes might seem like a small indulgence, but over time, they can put a serious dent in your budget. Instead of lining the pockets of coffee corporations, I've become my own barista. I invested in a simple coffee maker and a milk frother, and now I can whip up my own delicious lattes and cappuccinos right at home. Not only is it significantly cheaper, but it's also more satisfying. Plus, there's something incredibly cozy and ritualistic about starting my day with a homemade cup of coffee. And the best part, no more waiting in line. I can enjoy my coffee in my pajamas while I catch up on the news or plan out my day. Let's be real. Dining out can be expensive. Those restaurant meals, while delicious, can quickly drain your bank account if you're not careful. That's why I've made a conscious effort to cook most of my meals at home. Not only is it significantly cheaper, but it's also healthier and more satisfying. I know exactly what ingredients are going into my food, and I can customize my meals to my liking. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming either. There are countless easy and delicious recipes available online and in cookbooks. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about nourishing your body with food that you've prepared yourself. Remember those days of flipping through hundreds of cable channels only to find nothing to watch? Well, I'm happy to say that I've cut the cord on cable TV and haven't looked back since. Cable TV is expensive and often filled with ads and content that I have absolutely no interest in. Instead, I've opted for streaming services, which are significantly more affordable and offer a wider variety of content that aligns with my interests. With streaming services, I can watch my favorite shows and movies anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Plus, I can cancel or switch my subscriptions whenever I want, giving me more flexibility and control over my entertainment budget. And the best part? No more commercials. I can finally enjoy my shows without being bombarded with ads every 5 minutes. We live in a world obsessed with the latest and greatest technology. Every year, tech companies release new models with just a few more features, and we feel the pressure to keep up. New phones, laptops, headphones, you name it. There's always something new and shiny vying for our attention and our wallets. The marketing is relentless, making us believe that we need the latest gadgets to stay relevant. But here's the thing. I refuse to get caught in the endless cycle of tech upgrades. It's a trap that leads to unnecessary spending and a constant feeling of dissatisfaction. I used to be someone who always had to have the newest gadget, but over time, I realized that it was an unsustainable and unfulfilling way to spend my money. The excitement of a new device quickly fades, leaving me wanting the next upgrade. Now, I only upgrade my devices when absolutely necessary, when they're broken beyond repair or can no longer keep up with my needs. I've learned to appreciate the value of what I already have and to make the most of it. Plus, by resisting the urge to constantly upgrade, I'm reducing my environmental impact. Every device we keep using instead of discarding helps reduce the demand for new products and the resources needed to make them. E-waste is a growing problem, and by holding onto our devices for longer, we can help minimize our contribution to this global issue. It's a small step, but if more people did the same, it could make a significant difference. Now, let's talk about fitness. For many years, I was a loyal gym member, shelling out monthly fees for access to equipment and classes. But over time, I realized that I could achieve my fitness goals without stepping foot in a gym. There are countless ways to stay active without spending a dime. From bodyweight exercises and yoga to running outdoors and hiking in nature, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's completely free. I found that exercising outdoors is not only good for my body, but also for my mind. Being in nature has a calming and grounding effect, and it's a great way to de-stress and clear my head. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we feel relaxed, comfortable, and at peace. But too often, we fill our spaces with unnecessary items, cluttering our homes and our minds in the process. I used to be guilty of this, buying into the idea that I needed to constantly update my decor to keep up with the latest trends. Now, I keep my home decor minimal and functional. I've decluttered my space, getting rid of anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring me joy. My home is now a reflection of my values: simplicity, intentionality, and peace. With less stuff, there's less to clean, organize, and worry about. And there you have it. 10 things I refuse to spend money on. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle and being mindful of my spending has made a huge difference in my life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on minimalism and saving money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.